Alright, this is a quick video to show how to take off the bottom buckle on one of the 511 amp bags. This is the amp C, but it applies for any of the amp bags. So if you got one of these bags and you got the gear set on, you might realize that there's a bottom buckle down here and it kind of sandwiches with the gear set, and that's not what we want. So to take this off, there's a slot in the middle of this hinge right here. So you go from the top. It's not easy to do, that's for sure, but Jesus. Okay, so you slide it under there, and then it slides off the other side. This is a very hard rubbery kind of material, so it's not going to rip or anything, so don't be afraid to yank on it if you have to. So now you can have this gear set on without that buckle in the way. So there you go. If you didn't know that, now you know. I didn't even know about that until a while ago, so a while after I had the bag. And on the top, oh well, obviously you can't even take the top one off because there's only that one. So anyway, just a quick little tip there. Thanks for watching.